Check out this Jeep 2003 Wrangler Sahara. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 24 grams, easy folding soft top, 7 speakers, AM/FM compact disc with changer control, AM/FM radio, CD player, air conditioning, power steering and dual front impact airbags. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.